ever wished your learning platform could understand you as well as a human teacher could? That's exactly what Zavmo AI does, thanks to something called natural language processing, or NLP. Now, don't worry about the technical term. Think of it as Zavmo's ability to understand and respond to you naturally, just like having a conversation with a knowledgeable friend, teacher, or mentor. Imagine talking to someone who not only understands your words, but also picks up on how you're feeling, what you're struggling with, and when you need extra support. That's what the NLP layer does. It's like giving Zavmo a set of super smart ears and a very understanding brain. Now, let's see how this works across Zavmo's unique 4D process: discovery, discuss, deliver, and demonstrate. Think of it as 4 chapters in your learning journey, each made better by Zavmo's ability to understand and adapt to you. In the discover phase, Zavmo acts like a career coach who really listens. When you talk about your goals and your aspirations, it doesn't just record your words, it seeks to understand what drives you, where you want to go in your career, what might be holding you back, and even the things you might not directly be saying. During the discuss phase, this phase is like having a conversation with a mentor who knows exactly how to plan your path forward. Zavmo adapts its language to match your style. It picks up on what excites you and notices if you're unsure about something. And then it helps you create a learning path that feels right for you and the time you have available. Next, we go on to the deliver phase. This is where Zavmo becomes your personal teacher, mentor, and coach. The one who explains things in a way that makes sense to you and your role. A person who notices when you might need something explained a little bit differently, who adjusts the pace to match your understanding and brings in examples that relate to your interests, your role, your industry, and your experience. Then finally, we move into the demonstrate phase. In the demonstrate phase, Zavmo acts like a supportive mentor who understands different ways of showing you what you've learned, but also gives feedback in a way that's helpful and encouraging. It also recognizes your achievements in meaningful ways. So it helps you really understand and test your knowledge to see how far you've come. Behind the scenes, Zavmo's NLP is constantly reading between the lines of what you say, trying to understand your emotions and your levels of engagement, adapting its responses to match your needs, your roles, your aspirations, and learning from every interaction you have to serve you better. But what does this mean for your learning experience? What it means is there's no more one-size-fits-all approach. It's now about a natural, flowing conversation instead of rigid interactions. It's about supporting you to meet your needs in a learning that feels personal and relevant to you. So as you continue to use Zavmo, the NLP system gets to know you better, just like a friend or a mentor would. Each conversation helps to understand how you learn best, what motivates you, and when you need that extra level of support, so that we can keep you engaged and progressing in the career you want. So next time you're chatting with Zavmo, remember, you're not just interacting with a computer program, you're engaging with a sophisticated system that really seeks to understand you and adapt to you and is committed to helping you succeed in your goals. It's like having a personalized learning companion who's always there, always listening, and always ready to help you grow.